Hi, my name's Chris. A little bit about day one from Drone Command. I'm joining virtually from Indianapolis, which is a wonderful opportunity for me to be able to uh, be here, pay attention, be comfortable. The Drone Command team made everything easy as far as registration, setting up my PC, making sure that all the links worked and all the tech was ready to go. Very thorough in their preparation, which made it easy for the virtual attendance. But moreover, the content of Drone Command day one, wow. I've been in business for myself and with others well over 33 years, and nothing I've ever seen or read has been this thorough in the presentation and the content and meaningful content. Um, I'm just grateful that I found, by some divine intervention, the invitation for Drone Command Live, and it really is going to help me focus on my drone business and gave me some real meat and potatoes. Don't don't question your decision to attend. It's well worth the investment. And 3 days packed full of stuff. Uh, Even day one was worth your investment. So don't be on the fence. Just jump in, start swimming. Thank you.